Scammers are ruthless people, and they do not know how to act, and they are children, okay? If we go up here, she had sent me a moon necklace, and she said that she was accept one trade and get a bow. No, do not do that, because they'll get something really good of yours for something that's really stupid, a really stupid trade. Okay. I'm Emily34963, and I'm Lily Liar on YouTube. And just get away from them. Just don't even pay attention to them until you say that's not gonna happen. They'll say, like, oh, accept one trade, like it did, and then, you know, just go ahead and, a little distracted here. They're just scams. They're scammers. They don't care. They're normally members. Let me show you one. Maybe if it's still here. I guess it's not, but I don't really care because she's a scammer and I don't want scammers as friends. I'm going to be a member July 25th, and I would like some help with getting member items. I already have some. I have 23 items. My trade's pretty good. At least I think it is. I can't wait to get a pet. I just can't wait to get a pet. That's my brother in the background. Yeah, he's stupid.
Yeah, I'm being stupid. Possum commercial.
Probably just plain possum.
Well, it's not on there.
There he is.
That was the possum commercial from Geico.
Some people don't have that good of trades. Would you quit it?
Haha.
That's not a good trade, okay? Even if it's a rare, I do not want that, okay? Now, as you can see, I have a pretty good collection of plushies here, don't you think? That's one that everyone seems to want. So, yeah. If you want to trade me, just go to my den. This is what I do not like. Please, can I have it? You say no to it. Because they can't just have it. Just worked hard to get it. Actually, my best friend got it and gave it to me. Because they're not playing Animal Jam no more. It still means a lot to me. No. If you click the corner, it says can't trade right now. That's why I always have that already. Okay. Lots of people come to my den because it seems to be very popular. I don't think it's on the Epic Dens list. No. I don't think non-members can. Maybe if I get to be a member on my birthday. Thunderbolt Clan? Really? Okay. Gecko plushie. Not that much. See, I'm saving up to get member stuff. You know, member dens. So I have 13,400. Well, you can see it in tickets. I'm not sure who it is. Is he a member? Because he can't have... I think he's a member.
I knew I still had salt.
Because he can't have that thing on his back. Oh, well, he used to be a member or something. I don't know. I don't know. Scammers are normally, they're normally members. So, just an eye-opener. This person has some really good trades. Used to, never mind. She still does. She has lots of good trades. and people try to take advantage of what you have. And that's why if I'm having fun, I do not have anything on my trade, and do not mess with me if I'm trying to just have a good time on Animal Jam. I don't want to trade all the time, okay? Sometimes I get impatient, but you kids out there, I'm 12, going on 13, July 25th is my birthday, and I'm going to be 15. All that good stuff. Sorry, not 15. I meant 13.
Okay, well.
Gosh, that'd be insane if I was going on 15.
Fell and sprained his thumb chasing the goose for Easter. And
My friend helped me decorate my den. I actually had, her name is, I think, I don't know.
But the one guy I talked to, she said, just to make sure.
She's a good
call you at
friend.
that number.
You can get the chairs in the penguin party.
I don't usually have to even mess with it.
Okay, I'm about to wrap it up. It's my other person. Yes, I have 2 fox hats. And if you want something of mine, go to my den or send me a jamagram because I really am looking for a red fox hat, okay? And lots of plants and den items. Now that I can talk to you,
Well, I just need to make sure
Just-
because that's another
I'm randomly clicking.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's all. Just talking about scammers and how they work.
Well,
Just
I'm
do
gonna
not,
say some
just
sorry.
just don't listen to them. If they say send them
All right, thanks.
and then they'll trade, do not do that. They're scammers. Okay, I'll be seeing you. Bye. God bless. So long, YouTube. Have a good day. Whatever. Okay.